Hi guys, good morning. Do you want to win a £100 Nike voucher for free? Do ya? I like doing giveaways. Give back to the community. Flow, giveaways were good. As this is like a Nike inspired wardrobe video, you can win a £100 Nike voucher, easy, free. Simple steps. Head over to Instagram. 1. Give TM Cycles a follow. That's all I ask. Secondly, like the most recent post, which will be of me in a load of Nike gear. And then thirdly, tag your mate. And then I'll do the generator thing and you'll be in the chance of winning £100. Cost of living in that at the moment, treat yourself, on me. But you've got to do those 3 steps because the generator will tell me if you're lying. Do that bit in the news when they pretend they're...
That's just the woman told my mother before I was born. I got a boy charged for me. Gonna be a son of a gun. He gonna make pretty women jump and shout. And the world wanna know I'm gonna mess with you. I got a black cat bone. I got a mojo too. I got the gun to conquer root. I'm gonna mess with you.
What was that?
220 for 4.
5 nanomolar a test.
Oh well, I'm hoping maybe like 7, 8 out of push now. I might be at the bottom of the range. We'll see, I'll find out in
He's
full.
deadlifting 220, he's got his hair back.
It's mental.
What are we doing tomorrow? The thingy's triangle.
Mikko's triangle.
Mikko's triangle tomorrow. It's just... Don't do it again this weekend, Arsenal, because that wasn't a foul. VAR again. You're living in it. It's alright, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. When it's this close though in a title race and you're doing that, say it was a foul. How come Saka's won a penalty then? Good news is I'm liking Jorginho's looking nice. Nice. Get Dominos tonight, I reckon. I'm a banger Dominos. I've got one week left before my IB for cut starts. March 6th. Heavy week of programming next week. Little modafinil, little coffee. Relentless old week that is, programming week, but I enjoy it. So I get Dominos tonight. And then me and Joe are training tomorrow, early doors, fasting. I think I've got a podcast tomorrow as well at like 2. And then we got Tommy. I shouldn't be this excited for the bout, but I'm excited at the potential of Jake getting absolutely annihilated, which I hope he does. And I think he will. Tommy just does not need to get... Did I say Tyson or Tommy? I think I said Tommy. He just doesn't need to get knocked out. Quite a tame order from us, this. Quite a tame order. Just some potato wedges. Should have got garlic pizza bread. Should have got crisps as well. I haven't cooked them well enough. It's what I mean. When Domino's are busy, they don't cook them when... Oh, no, that's all right, actually. First world problems, eh? First world problems. Oh, just look at it.
That's actually disgusting.
What is? Careful, open it that way, it'll go down your top. It's not that bad.
No.
Honey and mustard. I like honey and mustard on my chicken salad. Yeah, see, I could probably...
I'm not sure.
I could mess with it, but it's just a bit of a weird thing to put on a dip. Give me a potato wedge actually, let me see. I might have cracked it with this. Oh, that's a good one.
Let me try.
It ain't bad.
Let me try.
It ain't bad. It's like a salad. See? Don't knock it.
No, I feel bad.
Don't judge a
now.
book
That's
by its
actually
cover.
really nice.
Don't judge a Domino's dip by its cover. Look at this.
You're alright, these aren't cooked properly.
Christ alive.
Good morning, happy Sunday. The time is 23 past 7. Supposed to train at 8, but start that again. Let me just have a sip of coffee. I'll tell you what, that grind coffee is lovely. The time is 7:25. Now you're probably thinking, Tom, you just said 7:23, and there's not been 2 minutes in the space of 30 seconds, but that clock's a little bit slower than this one. So the time's 7:25. Supposed to be training at 8, but Joe's gym is paid off. I think he was wine and dining last night, so he said leave at 8. Oh man. So it's given me enough time to have a black coffee and a slice of toast and some honey before we go and train. I feel like we've turned Sunday into our like cardio day. It's either like a long run around Greenwich, followed by a grind breakfast, or we switch things up a little bit, so we'll do some conditioning today. See how we get on. So I haven't really done, I've done small conditioning pieces like post-workout, but this looks pretty intense. He said Pat from March on usually does like 20 calories. We'll explain the thing when we get there.
Damn, can love you like I do. Oi, Fred, sample my voice on the track, mate. You know it sounds sick. How was your date, Joe?
Yeah, it was really good.
I told him that you've been dropping gym riz and it's paid off. Yeah, no. Come on, man. Lifestyle vlog and that.
Yeah, they'll see my outfit on my vlog. Just get ready with me. Not this one, obviously.
Oh, is that the new Vanquish stuff, the utility? Guys, they ain't half heavy, these cameras, when you try and hold them like that.
What's that?
They're quite heavy when you do that. Right, so we're doing Mikko's triangle, which is 1 minute assault bike. No, 1 minute.
No, it's not. It's calorie based.
Oh, it's calorie based.
Yeah. So what it is?
I thought it was 1 minute and you got the calories to do in that minute.
Yeah. So you choose a calorie number.
Yeah.
So 20.
Yeah, we're doing 20, I think.
I think we're gonna really struggle with that.
Really? Oh, look at your arm on that shot.
Wide angle.
I'm so gel.
Under hard.
Yeah, so minute number 1, ski. Minute number 2, row. Minute number 3, assault bike. Minute number 4, rest.
I'm not. No, we'll do erg. We'll do bike erg.
Bike erg.
We'll do bike erg.
So we're gonna do 20 calories within a minute and see how we get on.
Get this man an Oscar. Get him an Oscar. Best male actor.
What are you saying?
Get this man an Oscar.
Wow. That's way harder than expected.
Bro.
That's ridiculous.
Last time I did it, I was like, oh, that's alright.
I stopped taking a minute and just, I perform better when I just flatline. If I rest, I'm worse. Do you know what I mean?
I need to start going short bouts.
Yeah, see, I'm the opposite. I like going like, I'd love to do 40 minute at like 175, 180 and I'm fine. That's that high rocks training. I haven't done short stuff in ages.
You've got everything quite low down.
Yeah.
Ski will take you in.
That was a lot tougher than expected. I feel like my fitness levels have dropped rapidly, even in the last 4 weeks. When was High Rocks? 4 weeks ago? Shocking. Phenom Elite Dry Fit, Miller, Aero Swift, Quarter Zip, Windbreaker. Okay, Spark, Stride. Just remembering the different garments. Now before I begin, welcome to the Ultimate Gym Wardrobe, by the way. Serious hands. Before I begin, fashion is subjective. What you might like, I might dislike. What I might like, you might dislike. Just the way the cookie crumbles. Secondly, the older I get, the more I'm concerned about practicality. I'm an online coach, YouTube, Instagram. Hard life. So when I wake up in the morning, I don't want decision fatigue. I don't want to be like, oh, what God. So what you'll notice is I've got like 7 black t-shirts, a couple of pairs of trousers and a couple of quarter zips and a windbreaker. Just very basic, minimalistic. I think the older you get, the more practical your fashion becomes. Got that trick from Stephen Bartlett and also Gymshark boy, what's his name? God, Ben. We'll jump straight into it. We'll open up with the gym trainer. This is by far my hands down best gym trainer. One word to describe it, versatile. It's comfortable, it looks very good. Very good in shorts, in tracksuit bottoms. If I want to do a push session and then do a run afterwards, I don't have to change my footwear. I don't have to pack a pair of rads and my running shoes. I wouldn't go long distance in this, but short, sharp bursts, EMOMs, WODs, plus your normal training, the go-to. Absolute goat shoe. Asics Quantum 360. I feel like I should do a 360 while saying 360. Great, great shoe. Inside, what is there, Tom? Socks. So, a couple of pairs of socks. These I wear for when I'm doing my runs. They're called the Nike Spark. They're a bit expensive, but they are very comfortable, and they are the go-to running sock. Every single day, I wear the everyday. I think they're called crew socks, but again, nice, comfortable. Get like a 6-pack in JD or whatever for quite cheap. Just go in there and buy 2 packs. That way I've got, you know, again, decision fatigue. I ain't got it. All my socks are there. They're washed next to my CKs. Happy days. So they're the trainers and socks. She'll start like base layer. So here we have a pair of Nike running shorts. I was wearing these a lot for my high rocks training. I actually wore them during my high rocks as well. They are the Nike Aero Swift shorts. Fantastic for any track work you're doing, any sprints, even the long distance stuff, if it's in the summer. Very, very comfortable. I think everyone should have a good pair of like dry fit, fairly tight running shorts. Equally, if you don't like getting your legs out, I like to wear these on my long distance Sunday runs with JB, which is the Nike Phenom Elite. So they're the longer ones. And I'll just wear these as they are. Chuck like a long sleeve or maybe a t-shirt over the top. But these are also very, very lightweight, very, very comfortable indeed. Continuing with the base layer, if you like the old UVU look, just your basic Nike Pro. Black, long sleeve Nike Pro. What I would do is I would wear this and then I'd chuck like a fairly oversized-ish vest like the UVU one over the top. But I think everyone should have like a decent Nike Pro in their wardrobe, you know. Used to bang this at leg day, on leg day as well. Just nice, light, not really. Sometimes you don't feel like getting your arms out, do you? So, like at the moment, I don't like my arms. Wear this a lot. That's all gonna change from Monday. The 8-week IB for Cut begins. So that's your base layers. Sticking with gym trousers, again, these are called the Phenom Elite, but they're called Phenom Elite Dry Fit. They're quite tapered around the ankle, and they sit really nice and they look really cool. So I'll wear this just for my day-to-day and also just my regular gym sessions. I don't wear these on a leg day. So any upper body work, I'll wear these. And then for any lower body work, I will wear my Nike Stride 2-in-1. I absolutely love these. They are as, what it says on the tin, 2-in-1. 18 centimeters they are. Good because you don't have to wear any boxes underneath, do you know what I mean? You don't have to worry about that. That's why I quite like it. So it's like a 2-in-1, really, really comfortable. I've always liked wearing like an under pair of shorts when I'm training legs anyway. So sometimes I'd wear maybe like the Gymshark tight version of those and then put some shorts over the top. But when they're doing 2-in-1, it's just, again, practical, very, very comfortable. So I wear these 18 centimeter. Could bang these on your runs as well, to be honest with you. But like I said, leg day and any conditioning work I'm doing, I will wear the Nike Stride 2-in-1. Then we come on to the t-shirts. So I wear the Nike Miller large. I should have gone through the sizes, shouldn't I? Damn. I'll pin them in the comment section below. But these are the Nike Miller. So I've got about 7 or 8 of these. Vast majority of them are in black. I've got a couple in, maybe one in purple, a few colours, one in purple, one in green. But yeah, just literally rocked up to the Nike store in London. Nike Town is where I get a lot of my gear from. 7 t-shirts, nice and simple. I'll wear a large in these. I do have a little bit of an issue with the neck. You know how I like quite a tight neck? So chains I feel like are necessary when you're wearing these, but I've got used to wearing these with a little bit of a wider neck. In an ideal world, it'd be a little bit tighter, but generally really nice, lightweight, durable. Whack them on for the vast majority of my sessions. Then we come on to the quarter zip. I went for a patch of calling them 3/4 zip, didn't I? My apologies. There's a couple of 1/4 zips that Nike do. This is the dry fit. I much prefer this one because the other one has a kind of fleecy edge to them and it bobbles. You know that really annoying bobbly thing you get? I've got a D-bobbler, but my go-to would just be a 1/4 zip. You can get them in all sorts. I've got these in blue, grey, black, but again, I tend to stick with the black ones. And then what I'll do now, especially on my longer runs, because it's so lightweight, I can actually start my run in them, take it off like when I did Greenwich with JB the other day. I had like a t-shirt on underneath this. I started my run with it, took it off. It's so lightweight, you can wrap it around your neck or wrap it around your waist and you don't even know. So this is the Nike Windbreaker. I think it's called the Windbreaker. But I got one in like mint green and one in black. But really, really nice. Looks good as well. Like even on the days that I might not be going to the gym, I'll just whack a t-shirt on underneath this, wear that, some trousers and my Asics, and I'll go and sit in David Lloyd and I'll just work away. Again, I'm thinking when I'm buying my gym wardrobe, also practicality for work. And I think that is pretty much it in terms of like my gym wardrobe. Base layers, jacket, zips, shorts, trousers, socks, trainers. Okie dokie. So there we go. Just a little insight into the ultimate gym wardrobe. The ultimate gym wardrobe. What am I like? Ultimate makes it sound like it's just crazy, but it's not, is it? It's just a few t-shirts and some trousers, and I've got the audacity to call it ultimate. Ah well. Things you got to do for YouTube, eh? Keep your eyes peeled for another one. It won't be as ultimate, but I wanted to go through my gym bag updated, take you through some pieces of kit that I recommend you have in your arsenal. Great win yesterday, boys. Very, very good. 3-2. Just some pieces of kit that I recommend from 1MR because Josh has released some new bits and bobs and they're fantastic. So we'll do that. Tomorrow, it begins. The Ibiza cut. March 6th. Got 8 weeks. I'm still going to be dieting out in Ibiza because I fly there on May 1st, but I've got 8 weeks. So I want to rock up to the island in decent nick, at like I'd say 85%, and then do the following final 15% whilst I'm there. So we've got 8 weeks. I'm going aggressive from the get-go, mate. Tomorrow, first thing, alarm goes off, black coffee, your himban, I'm on that Stairmaster. This is it, baby. Natty diet. Like I said, I've not dieted as a natural with no substance help since Malia 2000 and God knows what, when I was about 17, 18 years old. So the last time I dieted without any assistance was over 10 years ago, which is quite cool. I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to documenting the process, looking forward to taking you through my training plan, all that good stuff. The Ibiza Classic Shred Series, Summer Shred, whatever you want to call it. Right, I'm going to leave it there. I'm pretty sick of eating now. I do this thing before I diet where I get all this like quote unquote bad food out of my system, but it gets to like now. I had a coffee today and an almond croissant, and this almond croissant was filled with like cream, fucking cream. But I had it and I just like, I cannot wait to diet. You know when you just feel a bit, whoa. For me, it's when I'm working on a computer and I can feel that there. Can't wait to get rid of it. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if you want a chance of winning a £100 Nike voucher, it's got your name on it, head over to TM Cycles Instagram, give him a follow. I know I'm talking in third person. Like the post, tag a friend. Happy days. Very, very easy. And I'll transfer £100 to you via email. And that's it. Enjoy your Monday night. Thank you as always. Thank you, good night. Much love. See you very soon.